Target just announced they're lowering prices on about 5,000 items in stores. About 1,500 of these discounts have already taken place. The rest are still to come. We analyzed the ones we could see, and we're expecting about 5 to 10% off for the 5,000 items they are discounting. There are all kinds of staple categories, yogurt, cheese, bread, pet food, diapers, and they're both store brands and name brands. So a couple of the store brand price drops we've seen so far is Good and Gather butter has dropped 5%. The same brand organic baby spinach has dropped by about 9%. And some name brand examples, Jack's Frozen Pizza, Persil laundry detergent, both down 5%. One of the biggest discounts we've seen is actually on the small packages of Huggies wipes. They're down 17%, which actually makes them cheaper than Walmart. So you might be wondering, speaking of cheaper than Walmart, are these Target price drops bringing Target in line with Walmart? The answer is yes. Target is not dipping below Walmart, but on these 5,000 price drops, the one we can see so far, they're getting within a couple of pennies. So if you're someone who wishes you could be shopping at Target, but you've been going out of your way to go to Walmart, it might be worth checking out Target again in a couple of weeks to see if these price drops change the game. Now, this isn't the first big move Target has made this year. Earlier, when they launched their Circle 360 paid program, there were also free offerings for shoppers, including Target Circle coupons in their app now apply automatically. You don't even have to add them. The manufacturer coupons, which are the ones that are like $1 off or $2 off, you still have to clip those to use them. But in a major move, earlier this year, Target announced that you can use those manufacturer coupons on an online purchase and utilize Target Pickup. Kroger is the only other store in the country that's done that. So Circle offers applying automatically. Manufacturer coupons on online orders and dropping prices on over 5,000 items. We like what we're seeing from Target, and we hope that there's more to come. If you want more on this story about Target's price drops, visit us at thecrazycouponlady.com.